friends and family of the bride and groom, welcome, and thank you for being here on this very special day. We are gathered here to celebrate and to witness the joining of Jack Schneider and Fallon O'Neill in marriage. From the very beginning, it was apparent to all of us that Fallon was head over heels and that something was different. Something was very special about Jack, which is why it is no surprise that we stand here today, 6 years later, on the anniversary of their first date. Jack and Fallon, having witnessed your love, I am confident that you will both always have someone to depend on, someone to lean on, to confide in, and to love unconditionally.
Looks really good. 6 years ago, a random act of events began my journey with you. A text from a friend, a slow night of service, a bike ride across the city, a rock show in the basement of people I'd never met, pizza at Sava's, a call to meet some friends at a luge, and a beautiful woman working in a bar, busy and slightly frazzled in all black with rebellious white chucks on. I remember as you asked what I would like to drink. Through the smoke-filled room and blaring music, I thought to myself, this must be fate. How perfect is she? That was the first time I recognized fate in my life.
In a few short hours, you will officially be my husband, and I will officially be Mrs. Schneider. But in the meantime, we've been so many things for each other. Best friends, lovers, shoulders to cry on, #1 fans, and so much more. By no means has it always been perfect, but at the end of the day, we always come together and support each other.
You are my fate, but you are also so much more. You are the patience to my anxiety, the touch that sends me to another universe, the forgiveness that I constantly need. You are the adventure beckoning for me to follow and the free spirit guiding me through it. You are the chocolate chip cookie in my pocket, but most of all, you are my home, my family, and my partner. And I can't imagine a life without you.
I love you, Jackson, and I'm so very excited for what's to come, and I'm absolutely honored and privileged to call myself your wife. I love you to the moon and back, always and forever.
The wedding ring is a symbol of the commitment which binds these two together. It is an outward sign of an inward bond that unites two hearts in endless love. Wedding rings are made precious by our wearing them, though Jack and Fallon's bands are perhaps a bit more precious than most might realize, as they were created by the same jeweler that made Jack's parents' wedding rings. This is one of the very special ways that Jack and Fallon have chosen to carry on his father's memory and remember him on their most special day. Now, with these rings, Fallon and Jack will finalize their vows. Fallon and Jack, your love has gathered us here, your promises have been exchanged, your future now awaits, supported by your family and friends, strengthened by your love for each other, and supported by your hopes and dreams. May every new day be a chance to grow as one in wisdom, trust, and love. May you always share more blessings than burdens, more laughter than tears, and more strength for what lies ahead of you than you will ever need. May your hearts not forget that love lasts when you put faith and family first, and many happy years from now, may you still be walking hand in hand. May your life together be a good one. Jack, you may now kiss your bride.
Val, it has been nothing short of an honor standing beside you today. You face every new opportunity in your life with such positivity and strength, and we know this new chapter as a wife will be no different. There's truly no one more deserving of a happy ending than you. And Jack, as you know, life with Fallon is never without excitement. So thank you for letting our girl shine and for making her so unbelievably happy. Since the very first date, Fallon has admired your passion for your work, your commitment to your family, your sense of humor, and of course, your shared love of good food. For a long time, we could never imagine our lives without Fallon, and Jack, we could never imagine our lives now without you too.
To a lifelong of happiness, together filled with adventure, endless date nights.
And of course, for the both of you, gin and tonics.
Congratulations and cheers to new Mr. and Mrs.